wouldn't want to be getting out the full-blown blower, but this is clearing. Alright, so this is the new electric blower that I've got. We've just done a load of trimming and this is going to clear it all. Well, it's not, I'm actually joking. That's going to clear it all. But it's horses for courses, purely and simply. The big boy, I've got to get on my back, I've got to fill it with petrol, I've got to start it, sometimes it won't start maybe, and it's an annoyance. Great for big jobs, but not if you just want to pick it up, clear a few leaves, or I'll show you later, I'm going to clear up by the spa. So what you get is two 20-volt batteries, you get the charger, and when you switch it on the top there, you've got two settings, slow and then fast. And let's just see it in action. We'll put it onto the slow setting, it's quite quiet as well. You can feel it, it's blowing it there, you can see. Put it onto the faster one. And that's actually, a lot of that is quite ingrained, okay? But if you imagine it, if you've just got a few leaves and you want to move them, then that's exactly what this is going to do. Anyway, going to get the big boy out now, get everything cleared. But I just wanted to show you, this is a really small but useful little tool. Right, so let's try it here. So you can see there, it's just easy to pick up and use. Anyway, we'll use it up here. Now you can see, you wouldn't want to be getting out the full-blown blower, but this is clearing the whole of this top. Nice and easy, just blowing everything out of the way. And even through the summer you're going to get leaves falling, and this is going to clear them all up. Just blowing it out. And there we go. A lot clearer than it was. So as I've said, you get two 20-volt lithium-ion batteries, nice and easy to come off. Just put the thing down at the back and push it off. That's that. And to charge it, all you do is pop it into the charger, which I'll show you, and then obviously when it's done, just bang it back in, lock it into place. Right, very low on the decibels, so 92 decibels. So when it comes disassembled, but really easy to put together. You can either have it like that, where it's straight, or like that, where it's concentrated and curved, and you just push it on, get the other side, push that on, and it's locked into place. To take it off, if you want to pop it into a cupboard, again, you just break it down the opposite way. So there's the charger. Comes with a 3-pin plug attached, obviously. When you pop it in, it's showing green to start off with, and you get your battery, literally, just pop it into place, turns to red, and once it's charged, and it's a rapid charger as well, relatively rapid, once it's charged it'll flip back to green again. So that's nice and straightforward. Two batteries, have one on charge while you're using one. So in summary, Small but powerful. It's not a full-blown leaf blower. It's not something that you use in your garden when everything starts falling off. But as you just saw then, great for clearing a patio top or something like that from leaves and twigs. So yeah, definitely a recommendation.